Alright, hey guys, Tony Tran here from the Kangaroo Wolfpack. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to get your hands on one of these big ENAGIC water bottles. So this one on the screen here is the 1 liter bottle, right? But you know, that's good to bring to work, put in your bag, whatever. Nice and small, easy to carry. But the one I'm talking about is, of course, the one and only 1 gallon water bottle. This is about 3.785 liters. So this is gonna be handy. You know, you can leave it at home if you want as well. You know, if you at least drink, you know, one of these a day, you know, you're surely gonna see, you know, some good positive health benefits for yourself. But yeah, I do play a lot of sports, so yeah, this would be awesome for me to bring. Fill it up, you know, easy, right? Extreme hydration. That's what I want. So I'll show you guys where to get this, because I didn't know you could get this in Australia. I thought you had to like ship it from overseas. But now I know you can get one of these, so this is how you're gonna do it. So go to your, this is for Australians, right? So if you're in another country, it's gonna be pretty similar. Or if you want more info, just email your local office. Okay, so first thing is to actually go to distributors, paperwork, right? Okay, so you're gonna have to log in if you haven't already logged in, but you pretty much want to scroll down to forms for Australia, accessories order form. Okay, so if you click that and download, you're gonna come up with this awesome sheet. So pretty much put in, you know, the quantity of what you want and then total it up on the second column. For example, if you buy 2 of these, you put 2 in quantity, total will be 44. So yeah, right there. So item number 27, purple gallon bottle, 3.785 liters. That's the one we want. Okay, you can also browse some of the other items here. Some of them aren't in the store, right? So you can only get them through this paper form, filling it out manually. So it's good to browse this. So pretty much, yeah, just fill out your details here, address, distributor ID, and your credit card, debit card details. That's pretty much it. All right, so we're following the new procedure now, if you don't already know. So they changed it in early 2019. So instead of sending this to info@enagic-australia.com, now we're going to send it to the warehouse email. So you can see it down there as well on the form if you forget. But pretty much just send that through email directly, and that's going to be the quickest way. They say it's quicker than the online way as well. If you want it real quick, that's the way to do it. So fill out this manual form and email it through. All right, so this is what you're gonna get. Really awesome. So yeah, just want to make a quick video because I didn't know you could do that. So I'm pretty sure there's some other people that don't know that you could get one of these. All right, so that's it. So hopefully you guys are gonna get your own awesome bottle here. If this video has helped you in any way, please let me know, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. And yeah, take care guys. I'll see you guys next time.